all in all, I don't think it turned out half bad. Hi, welcome back. I think today, another nice day, so we're gonna do a little bit of hammer and dolly on the fender. Then we're gonna weld up the trim holes, wipe it all down, and spray some self-etching primer on it. That's my goal for today. I don't got much time out here, but I do think I have enough time to do that, hopefully. Let's sit out there and we'll start hammering around and welding up some stuff. A little bit of grinding and then some paint. As you can see, nothing's really changed since last time. But we're gonna do a little bit of hammering right here and right here. Try to down here a little bit, and maybe a little bit right there. I got a low spot right here too, but I think if we get all that done, then clean it off. It's already starting to flash rust, so we'll wipe it all down and then get some self-etching primer on it. And I need to weld up these holes. Do that too. So, light's getting a little low, so I need to get this wrapped up here pretty quick. So let's get started. Well, we got the holes welded up. That one could use a little bit more grinding though. That one's pretty good. That was not so bad. That was decent. And I think that one's okay. But What I was doing while I was rubbing the fender down is, well, the weld splatter. Didn't want that to be underneath the etching primer. And I believe I got about all of it off. I may grind this down a little bit because I can feel it. And then after that, I'll flip it up and we'll put it on here, wipe it down real good, and start putting paint. So let me get this and then we'll flip it around, put some paint on it. All right, here's the finished product. Looks a little tiger striped, but oh well. That ding there, that's what I'm gonna try to take out. It's still pretty noticeable. Anyways, it went down pretty good. I think it looks too bad. Yeah, you can notice where I try weld holes a little bit. But all in all, I don't think it turned out half bad. And then we're not done with it. So I need to finish this out. All the little flanges. And this backside. Need to really get in here and probably shouldn't have painted it before I'll lay it on something, I guess. But got work to do under here. But I'm happy. Feel somewhat accomplished. Getting it halfway back, looking all right and painted. I think that'll do it for me today. Well, I think that'll do it for me this evening. Kind of short video, but just want to get that fender. I hear you. Just want to get that fender in the self-etching primer, so don't have to worry about flash rusting. Don't gotta finish out the back side, so I have to set it on something I won't scratch or mess it up and work on that. But I'm happy with how it turned out. It don't look too bad. We used the rest of one can of etching primer and about a fourth of the other one, so if I'm gonna do this whole thing in that, it's gonna be a lot of money. So I might have to see if I can get some etching primer that's uses compressed air in the gun. Next time, probably gonna take the door off, the hinges off the door, flip it around. I think we'll look at the bed. I'm still waiting on somebody to answer me if they can help me with this or not, so just want to wait on that. I don't want to mess it up. So I'll probably take the door off, look at the bed. I hear you. There's some spots that need patches, so we might go ahead and try to cut those out and make our own patches. Probably get some more citrus stripper, put in there and try to strip all that paint out. And just kind of work inside a little bit. But thank you for watching. If you made it this far, post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If you like this kind of stuff, please like, comment, subscribe. We're just going through everything that has to be done before we can paint the body. It's going to be more of this type of stuff. Hopefully we get more exciting stuff in the near future. But until then, we'll just keep trucking along. But anyways, Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.